Hello English 100, this is your first video for week 15. This is the first of 3 videos about revising Essay 3. My first reminder to you is keep on returning to your essay question. A big theme in revising will be keeping focus in a long paper. In order to do that, you have to make sure that your whole paper is very clearly answering your essay question. Next, the 4 steps for revising Essay 3. This should look familiar. We always use these 4 steps. We have read and think more. We have clarify the overall argument. We have beef up the paper. And we have cleanup time. So what you see on this handout is my notes based on reading the rough drafts. So under read and think more, study the comments you got on your rough draft. Finish the book, look for more stuff for the essay, do more research for your essay, review and reread key spots, and of course, get help. Let's focus on revising step 2. Clarify your overall argument. Improve your thesis and outline. And I want to focus especially on this part here, how to stay focused in a long paper, because this is a big deal for Essay 3. At the end, you should have 7 to 10 pages. And so how are you going to keep your reader's mind on your main theme? So first, establish focus and state your thesis in the introduction. Next, keep coming back to the main theme throughout your paper. Repeat key ideas and phrases on every page. And you will see examples of that in the handouts. Connect every new BP, body paragraph, back to the thesis and main theme. See sample body paragraphs handout. Reference the thesis at the end of each body paragraph. Finally, use transitions handout. Use transitions to stay focused. Never let the reader forget your main idea, and that's a big theme for focus in a long paper. Your reader should never forget your main idea. So let me give you a quick tour of some of the handouts I made, which I hope will help you with these things. So first we have sample body paragraphs, and in one of my other videos, I will go over these sample body paragraphs. So I hope that is helpful to you. Also, don't forget that you can get more help with your essay. This handout is called Get More Help with Your Essay 3 Rough Draft from the Center for Academic Support or NetTutor. All these handouts are in Canvas, of course. And then we have this handout here about transitions. And I will do a different video about this one because I think this is important. So, staying focused in a long paper will be a major theme for revising this essay. All right. So, you'll need to work on your thesis, work on your outline, and with a good plan, you can beef up your paper, you can make it much longer, you can add more from the book, you can add more from your research. And a tip for you for important examples from the book, spend a whole body paragraph on just one little example sometimes. And if you do that, you can write a long paper. And then revising step 4 is cleanup time. What are your habitual proofreading errors? Look at the comments you got on all 3 rough drafts this semester. What do you notice? So yes, I want you to go back to the rough draft from your old papers. What kind of comments do you get having to do with grammar or spelling or punctuation? Do you have bad habits like comma splices or missing apostrophes that you want to overcome? Same with citations. By the end of English 100, your goal is almost no errors in your in-text citations and the works cited. Look at your old rough drafts to make sure you don't repeat past mistakes. Okay, so Again, this is your overall guide. In addition to the comments you got on your rough draft, this is your guide to revising Essay 3. And with that, I am done with this video.